Hi Tanu, happy birthday. So since there's this lockdown going on, we don't have much to do, and we made a video for you, not because we love you or anything, but just because we have time. So enjoy.
नी चलाई जाने ओ सानू भी चुट्टा दे दो कि कल कल जाई जाने ओ हाय तनु हैप्पी बर्थडे 21 years old now इतनी बड़ी हो गई इतनी जल्दी जल्दी बड़ी हो गई anyway have fun lots of happiness to you loads of success I wish all the best for you love you baby.
Hi Tanvi, wishing you a very happy 21st birthday. I remember 21 years back, I was there when you were born, and your Dr. Kanbur gave me in my hands a small bundle of joy. That bundle of joy has become a big bundle now. A very sweet and beautiful young lady. I wish you a very happy birthday. I'm also very happy that this lockdown has brought us together. Because of our different timings and different body clocks, we're not able to spend time much earlier. But now you are making a lot of things at home when you are, you take interest in making a lot of things, and we are able to, Mama and me are able to cherish and relish Mexican, the Italian, all sorts of dishes, and that has made us, both of us, very happy. Thank you. I love you.
So turns out that your friends had a lot of mushy things to say about you, and they've done that. So watch it.
तन्वी तो कितनी बूढ़ी हो गई है, you're 21 already. Sad. Just kidding. Many happy returns of the day. I hope your day goes well. Too bad we are quarantined, but I still hope you enjoy your day. I was thinking we've been friends for such a long time, starting from senior KG to primary with Martina doing Amar Akbar Anthony to secondary with our Chilguzes. I've been tolerating you for such a long time. How am I doing this? Oh my god. I'm missing our sleepovers also and doing those breathing exercises before we sang Rabta. I just hope this gets over soon so I can meet you and personally tell you that you're getting old. Okay? You know I love you. Bye.
मैं सीधाई तो चल रही हूँ मैं ठीक हूँ नादान परिंदे घर आजा नादान परिंदे happiest quarantine birthday Tanu, here's to more of those nights and my super overactive. I really hope that you have a great one ahead and just याद रखना ऐसे ही मेरे दोस्त पे सबसे पहले तो हंसती रहना. And yes, one more thing, I'll always love Rafa more than you. So yes, I really hope your lockdown जल्दी खत्म हो so that मैं तू and फातिमा हम वो सर्वोदय का super unhygienic pasta खाने जाए and ये time तू drive करे. So yes, I miss you a lot. Bye, and I love you. Thoda बहुत. Happy birthday.
Hi Tanu, here's wishing you a very happy 21st birthday. I really wish we could spend your birthday together, but nonetheless, we're all here making it really special for you. I remember all of our memories, from Tanu being the group leader to Tanu suddenly crying because Tai वापस पुणे जा रही होगी, and then Tanu also blocking me and saying some bitches should stop barking. But guess what? This bitch isn't stopping anytime soon. We all love you, Tanu, and we really hope you have a great 21st birthday because you don't turn 21 every day. Love you, Tanu, and have a great birthday. Happiest birthday once again.
राइट टाइम. विश यू many हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. एंजॉय कर. मिलते हैं लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होने के बाद. बट अगर तूने केक बनाया ना तो मेरे को फ़ोन कर, मैं आता हूँ शाम को लेने को. ठीक है? चल एंजॉय. बाय बाय. टेक केयर.
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Tammy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I love you. I hope you enjoy your day and कुछ तो अच्छा बना भी ले अपने birthday पे. And I miss spending time with you in college. I miss a Sula trip. I miss our girls' night. So I hope we have that again. I miss you. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tanvi. If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. We miss you.
बोंडाल, मुझे तुझे कुछ बताना है. क्या करती रहती है यार तू बोंडाल? ओ गॉड तन्वी, ये सारी लाइनें मेरे कानों में गूंज रही है. Dude, I'm missing everything, all our college fun, walking from the station to college and back again, pani puri stops, ganne ka juice, you making my hairstyle for every college function, all the fun that we had in college, in lectures, during practicals, everything. I'm missing everything, and I'm missing you on your birthday. An unexpected friendship that grew into such a beautiful bond that I'm going to cherish forever, and I don't know what I would do without you. Happy birthday, Tanvi. Don't forget your promise of clubbing, okay? Please, after quarantine, we are going to do that. So be prepared for it. Choose your dresses and everything.
Hi, happy birthday Tanvi. And to make you cringe, वाढदिवसाच्या कोटी कोटी शुभेच्छा. I'm glad to have a friend like you in my life. Or I guess I'm glad that you walked in my life and wouldn't leave. It wasn't really my choice. So, yeah. But honestly, you're an amazing person, one of a kind really. College and Mumbai would have been impossible without you. I wish you all the joy and happiness in the world and a truckload of coffee, McDonald's, Coke, Blue Lays, and Punjabi songs you can get obsessed with. And also I have a perfect joke lined up for your birthday. So yeah, it is pretty lame, but you can kill me later if coronavirus fails. So yeah. Why did the musician get all torn up at his birthday party? T-O-R-N, torn up. Why did a musician get all torn up during his birthday party? So, because he's a rapper. Happy birthday. Take care.
Happiest birthday, Tanvi. You have been one of my closest friends in college, and we have shared so many memories over these past 3 years. Thanks for tolerating me. And train journeys without you would have been so boring, and all the gossip sessions which we had. Oh yes, I'll miss those. So yeah, cheers once again, and enjoy your birthday and party hard after quarantine. Ciao.
Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday Tanvi. Many happy returns of the day. Thank you so much for everything. You have been a kind and wonderful friend right from the first year. You do know, right, how much you mean to me, and I'm always by your side. And I think you are officially 21, so no ID issues. A great news for you. And moreover, अपने को appetite momos में भी जाना है. So जल्दी से मिल. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Hi Tanu, I hope you're enjoying it so far. Obviously you are, but this next one is a very conceptual and very nuanced performance by someone, so feel free to rewatch it and rewind it to really understand everything that's going on in that. So enjoy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, you little nerd. Happy birthday to you.
Cut the cake and we gon' say happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Hey Tanvi, wish you a very happy birthday. Well, it's been ages since we last met on the train trying to reach our colleges on time. Let's hope this lockdown ends soon so that we can meet again. Till then, let's just catch up on our sleeps. Enjoy a different kind of birthday this year. Take care.
Hi Tanu, happy birthday. Ka म्हणतेस बरीस का? I am quite happy we've gotten close in the last few months, and I really look forward to judging more people from rooftops while sipping on old fashions, and maybe cooking together someday. I think we will do a pretty good job out of it. So have fun, have a good year ahead, and yeah, we'll meet you soon, I hope.
Hi Tanu, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Party hard at home and we shall party after the lockdown ends. Oops.
Hi Tanu, wish you a very happy birthday. Quite a unique way to spend your 21st, locked down in the house and nowhere to go. Jokes apart, have a great day with Swati Moshi, Ketan Kaka and of course Rafa. And I hope you get to celebrate your birthday real soon with your friends and party real hard. Stay safe, have a great year.
तनुष झोपायला चल.
मामी खूप ड्रंक आहे.
ते आम्हाला माहिती आहे. चल झोपूया आता आपण.
मामी अदू मी खूप ड्रंक आहे.
तनु तुझ्या कानातलं कुठे गेला?
मामी माझ्या कानातलं हरवलं. मामी नाही मला कानातलं हवंय माझं आता. अदू
उद्या घेऊ आपण. चल आता झोपायला चल.
उद्या मिळेल आपल्याला इकडे.
हो मिळेल. चल झोप आता.
इथं झोपतेच आहे.
तनु तू खूप ओरडतेस.
मामी
इट्स ओके तनु.
अदू मामी उद्या तर माझा बर्थडे आहे.
तनु 2 दिवस आहेत आता. झोप.
2 दिवस आहेत.
हो.
मामी तुम्हाला बर्थडेला इयरिंग्स गिफ्ट देशील?
हो देणार.
थँक्स मामी.
तनु झोप.
हे मी पायचे पू मी तुमचे.
नको आमच्या
मामी प्लीज.
झोप तनु झोप.
ओके तुम्ही पण झोपा. Hi Tanu, I hope you remember this day. This is the most fond memory I have of you, and I hope we can recreate this one day. Hopefully this birthday, because this is your 21st birthday.
हाय तनु, आता आपण लॉकडाऊनमध्ये तर काही करू नाही शकत, सो तुझ्याकडनं इन्स्पिरेशन घेऊन तुझ्यासारखा मी केक बनवलाय, तुझ्यासाठी बनवलाय. हे बघ.
आँख है भरी भरी और तुम मुस्कुराने की बात करते हो. आँख है भरी भरी.
Hi Tanu. So as you may have seen, this video is very long, and a lot of that is my own footage. So sorry, not sorry, but happy birthday. Try enjoying today and try being good the rest of the year. Happy birthday. We all miss you and we love you, and yeah, that's it.
The front lobe of my leg.